Yeah, this pull-off is right off of Highway 54, right when you cross into New Mexico. I don't know what it is. I really don't. It's just something I find pretty down here. Well, today's goal is, hopefully I don't talk too much today. Past few videos, I've been very boisterous. Haven't been able to post yesterday's video up yet. Lack of cell phone service is getting that one. World, I want you to know, not all truck drivers are the same. This is pretty much disgusting. The same view I was showing you over there, this was in my backdrop. See all that? That's all garbage. Bottles of piss. Bags of stuff I don't want to talk about. It's not all truck drivers, world. Just wanted to let you know that. Some of us are decent human beings. Some of us actually like our jobs. Some of us actually like our country. Disgusting. Turns out this is an old town site, Obar, founded in 1906. It had a couple dozen buildings, newspaper, pioneer families. Sweetness. Sweet. Yeah. Just imagine, 1906. This was all full of buildings. You know, I've come to realize I'm in a pasture. Why don't the cows mess with this? What is that? Is it a tree? It's a tree, I guarantee that. There's bark mixed with a cactus. guys, we've arrived. We arrived probably 2-3 hours ago. Probably going to be kind of a short video today. Haven't really been feeling the mood. Got some other stuff going on driving me crazy. First class back here's giving me wiring troubles and I cannot figure it out. I'm just stubborn enough I don't want to take it to a shop because they charge way too much for wiring. This truck is not being friendly to me this year with wires. Other than that, we're going to call that a night. We're down here in Los Lunus, New Mexico. We got a midnight appointment to get unloaded, so this place usually takes about 3 hours. We should be out of here by 3 a.m. and heading back to the northwest, or I'm sorry, to the northeast, get our reload and try getting home before the snow. I guess it's supposed to snow in Nebraska, Kansas, and Iowa again. We'll see. Alright, you guys have a good night, and I promise I'll be more chipper tomorrow.